How to check Discord account created date. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check when your Discord account was made. To do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in discord.com. Now press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you'll be taken to the official website of Discord. Here, ensure that you are logged in to your account. Click on this Open Discord button at the top right and log in to your account. Once you are logged in to your account, you will land on this page. Here at the bottom left, you will be able to see your profile name, and right next to it, you will be able to see the settings or the gear icon. Click on this gear icon. This will take you to the settings page. In this page, here you will be able to see these options. Make sure this My Account option is selected. Once you click on it, you will be presented with this information. Here at the top right, next to your profile picture, you'll be able to see these three dots right next to your name. Click on these three dots and then here you'll need to select this Copy User ID option. Once you click on it, your Discord account's user ID will be copied. Once you have copied your user ID, now you will need to open a new tab on the same browser and there type in discord.id. In this platform, you will be able to check the account creation date of your Discord account. Once this page loads, here you'll be able to see the box where you will need to enter or paste your Discord user ID. Press on Ctrl V or right click and then click on this paste option. Once doing that, now you can click on this lookup button just below it. By doing so, you will need to solve this CAPTCHA. Click on this press to start button right here and wait for a while. Once you are verified you are not a robot, you will be presented with the account creation date of your Discord account. This will show you the exact time and date your account was created. So by following these steps, you should be able to check the account creation date of your Discord account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.